Welcome to a mosquito-filled evening here at the River House. The natural result of the worst flooding in 100 years. Ooh, it's very mouse-scented in here today. But no additional Mickeys in the traps. The natural result of the 100-year flood is, of course, fields that are not normally so, there we go, door lock, are full of mosquitoes. So, it's pretty bad out here. The goal is to start tearing down this monument of fungi engineering to make some room, because we've got Papa, Grandpa Dale, coming out. And I'd like to use his carpentry skills to help me place this deck. I can already tell you right now, bud, the beams I've got are too short.
That's after ripping a little bit of wood up, and that's how big the hole's got.
Oh yeah, it's a mess. I don't want you near it, okay?
Okay.
I was trying to do this without having to buy anything. I'm quite clearly going to have to buy some stuff. But, yeah. We got one army trailer down there for garbage. The farm army trailer up here for burnable garbage.
Burning garbage?
And let's rip her down. Maybe we will be okay. Depends on whether or not that thing right there is still sound.
I can definitely tell you, the hole I opened up, that beam right there is going to have to come out for sure. It's rotten. Alright. It's rotten.
I got those two landscaping timbers. And the mosquitoes in here are bad. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think we're in trouble. Well, we'll measure before we're done. But first, let's just get this crap down. Wish these mosquitoes would die. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's bad out here. Well, it's worse than I expected, only because the span. The span is greater than I thought it was. These two timbers fell down. They're supposed to be sitting up here, but they never backfilled, so they fell down. They'll have to be fished back out. I guess you could build a small landing right here. You know, I think these big timbers, I'm just gonna stand in the trailer and chainsaw them in the middle, I guess. Something like that. That timber is still good enough, it could be used for something. But yeah, my two treated. I forgot the garage door did this. I thought it was as wide as the garage door, and it's not. It's 2 feet wider on each side. So I don't even begin to have timbers to span it. We'll have to cut them on the sawmill. It's alright. I threw most of it down in there, Everything in there I have to pay to get rid of. And I could have burned that stuff. You know, I just don't need that many nails out here. And they're going to charge me about the same for it. I think I'm going to throw all these in too. Just get rid of them. And I don't have to dink with it. I don't know, burn the plywood maybe. Throw that on top of the pile as a cover so it stays dry and we can burn it next spring. Shay said he got sick. I don't know what it is. I don't think it's heat stroke. It's not that hot. Of course, the little stinker's not been drinking because the water tastes slightly bad, and he's like his mom, or rather, he's picked up on his mom. I don't want to drink it if it tastes slightly bad. So he could have been dehydrated, but I also sprayed him with the bug spray, and he started to get really nauseous right after that. I told him to hold his breath, and he did. Until the moment I stopped spraying. It's like, dude, you gotta wait for the cloud to drift away. So, I'm pretty sure that's what did it to him. Poor guy. So I'm back here by myself. Now I'm getting thirsty and dehydrated, so I'm gonna fire up the hose and get me a nice, slightly metallic drink. Get this crap taken care of. I think I'm gonna run the rock crusher a little bit. Maybe I'll put the rock into this trailer here and we'll go fill that hole down below. That sounds like a good plan. Got the thing. Might as well play with it, right? Well, I believe I have donated enough to the Mosquitoes Retirement Fund this evening, so I'm going to call it quits. I'm going to drop this old Army trailer and hook up to the new Army trailer, which is also kind of old, and then tow that trailer load of crap on home. I can't unload it till Saturday, but maybe I can get it Saturday morning before the grandparents and in-laws start to show up. Either way, we got some stuff done this afternoon. I had a call from the septic guy. He's gonna start Monday. So it'll be nice to get that taken care of. He's going to start Monday. He hopes to set the tank Tuesday. And we'll be hopefully ready for inspection on Friday. So it means I got to cover that other well. I mean, concrete in that other well. You know, the one we're going to use for irrigation, not for drinking. So I'm hoping I get away with it. So it looks like Mom and Dad are going to come up for the last time on Saturday. We'll do the last little bit with the dozer and then send it home for the summer. It was really nice. Dad bringing it up. And then Papa, Grandpa Dale is going to come up, and we might, if we scrounge in the barn, we might have enough timbers to maybe put this deck back. So that would be fun. He'd enjoy that. Graduation is this Sunday, so maybe I can get off working on the deck long enough to go to graduation and then hit the dump, empty the trailer, and then come on back and go to work again. That might be a winner. Alright, I missed it. Doesn't matter how many times you hook up to a trailer by yourself in one shot. If you got an audience, it ain't gonna happen. But that's fine. Things are happening around here. Thanks for watching.